In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a hover-activated menu component and overlay in Figma. Start by creating the base shape for your menu. Click on the Shape tool and choose the rectangle. Click and drag to draw it on the canvas, then head to the right side Properties panel and set its size precisely to 240 by 36. This gives you a consistent, compact menu item. Next, click on the Text tool, type the label Menu 1, and drag that text onto the rectangle so it sits neatly inside. Right-click the selection and choose Add Auto Layout. This wraps your content so spacing and alignment are easy to manage later. In the Auto Layout settings, make sure it's left aligned so your label hugs the left edge in a clean, familiar menu style. With that set, convert this element into a component. This will let you reuse it and keep styling consistent. If you plan to show different visual states, change the color of the second menu item to black as a contrasting state so it stands out when needed. Give your component a clear name like Menu so it's easy to find in your library. Switch to the Prototype tab. Create an interaction from the first menu item to the related content or target state you want it to reveal. Set the trigger to while hovering so the interaction activates when the user moves the cursor over it. Now open the Assets panel, go to Local Assets, find your menu component, and click Insert Instance to place copies on the canvas. Use Ctrl+D to duplicate it as many times as you need for additional items, and rename the labels to match your sections. When you have your list ready, select all the menu items and turn them into a frame. This frame will act as the full overlay panel that appears on hover. Click on your main menu heading, switch to the Prototype tab again, and connect it to the frame you just created. Change the interaction to Open Overlay so the frame appears above your design. Set the positioning to manual so you can drag and place the overlay exactly where you want it. Adjust the frame to align with your menu heading for a polished look. Enable close when clicking outside so the overlay dismisses naturally when the user clicks away. When everything is connected, click Preview to test the flow. Hover over the menu heading, confirm the overlay opens, check the hover behavior on the first item, and make sure clicking outside closes it smoothly. That's it. Your interactive menu is ready.